Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting frontiers in technology, generative AI in healthcare. We will explore how this technology is moving beyond simple analysis to actually creating new solutions for medical imaging, drug discovery, and clinical support. First, let's define what we mean by generative AI. Unlike traditional artificial intelligence, which focuses on analyzing existing data to classify it, generative AI has the ability to create entirely new content. In the medical field, this means it can generate medical reports, create synthetic but realistic medical images, and even design completely new drug molecules from scratch. We will focus on three main pillars where this technology is making the biggest impact. First is medical imaging, where we improve diagnostics. Second is drug discovery, drastically speeding up the creation of medicine. And third is clinical support, which helps doctors manage their workload so they can focus on you, the patient. Let's look at medical imaging. Generative AI is being used to enhance images. For example, it can take a low-resolution scan, which might be safer because it uses less radiation, and upscale it to a high-definition image. It can also reconstruct missing parts of a scan, giving radiologists a complete picture without needing to rescan the patient. A major challenge in medical AI is privacy. Real patient data is strictly protected and hard to share. Generative AI solves this by creating synthetic data. These are artificial profiles and images that look and act exactly like real patient data mathematically, but they don't belong to any real person. This allows researchers to train AI models without ever compromising anyone's privacy. Perhaps the most revolutionary application is in drug discovery. Traditionally, bringing a new drug to market takes over a decade of trial and error. Generative AI changes this game. It can predict the properties of potential medicines instantly, drastically reducing the time it takes to identify promising candidates. Here is how that works. First, we identify a target, like a protein causing a disease. Then, the AI generates millions of new molecular structures that might fit that target. Finally, it runs simulations to predict which ones will work best in the human body, filtering out failures before they ever enter a physical lab. For doctors, the administrative burden is huge. Generative AI acts as a smart assistant. It can listen to patient consultations and automatically write up structured notes. It can analyze a patient's entire history to suggest rare diagnoses that a human might miss, and it can summarize hundreds of pages of records into a single readable page. This leads us to the holy grail, personalized medicine. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, AI can analyze your specific genetic code. It can then simulate how different treatments would interact with your unique biology, predicting exactly which drug will work best for you individually. Of course, this power comes with risks. We must be wary of bias. If the AI is trained only on data from one group of people, it won't work well for others. There is also the risk of hallucinations, where the AI confidently invents false facts. And finally, data privacy must always remain ironclad. The future isn't about AI replacing doctors. It is about augmented intelligence. The AI handles the massive data processing and pattern recognition, while the doctor provides the empathy, ethical judgment, and final verification. This partnership leads to better care than either could provide alone. To summarize, generative AI is transforming healthcare by creating data, not just reading it. It is making scans clearer, drug discovery faster, and doctors more efficient. With the right safeguards in place, it promises a future where healthcare is more precise, personal, and effective for everyone.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.